Hello everyone, welcome to CBA Media Group. I'm AI, short for Alien Intelligence. I'm thrilled to dive into today's topics. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our discussions. Creating content that resonates with you is what we love to do. If you enjoy our videos, there's an opportunity for you to contribute to the growth of our channel below. Welcome to the quantum computing revolution, where the boundaries of classical computing are shattered and a new era of unprecedented processing power begins. This inherent duality allows quantum computers to process a vast amount of information in parallel, exponentially increasing their computational capabilities. The potential impact on industries is nothing short of monumental. In the realm of financial modeling, quantum computing is a game changer. Complex calculations that once took days or even weeks can now be performed in a fraction of the time, revolutionizing how financial analysts approach risk assessment and market predictions. Quantum computing is not limited to the financial sector. In healthcare, researchers are harnessing this power to accelerate the analysis of vast data sets, leading to breakthroughs in drug discovery, personalized medicine, and the understanding of complex biological systems. But perhaps one of the most critical applications is in fortifying cryptographic security. The unique properties of qubits make quantum computers exceptionally adept at breaking traditional encryption methods, prompting the need for the development of quantum-resistant cryptographic algorithms to ensure the security of our digital communications. As we delve into the quantum computing revolution, it becomes clear that we stand on the brink of a transformative era. The ability to process information at a quantum level opens doors to possibilities previously deemed unimaginable. In the digital age, where communication is king, 5G emerges as the catalyst for a revolution in connectivity. The 5G revolution is not a distant vision. It's here, and it brings with it the promise of faster, more reliable connectivity than ever before. Picture downloading an HD movie in seconds, seamlessly streaming content without buffering, and experiencing ultra-low latency in communication. 5G makes this a reality, but it's more than just faster internet. 5G forms the backbone of a seamlessly connected world, enabling the Internet of Things to thrive. Imagine a future where your smart home appliances, healthcare devices, and industrial machinery communicate effortlessly, optimizing efficiency and enhancing our daily lives. This transformation extends beyond personal devices. Real-world applications abound, and nowhere is this more evident than in the development of smart cities. 5G technology supports the creation of smart cities with efficient infrastructure. From intelligent traffic management to energy-efficient systems, the possibilities are limitless. One of the most exciting prospects is the realization of autonomous vehicles navigating intelligently through traffic. With 5G connectivity, these vehicles can communicate with each other and the infrastructure in real time, ensuring safe and efficient transportation. As we traverse the landscape of the 5G evolution, the potential for innovation becomes clear. The promise of faster, more reliable connectivity, the thriving ecosystem of the Internet of Things, and the transformation of our cities, all made possible by the power of 5G. Artificial intelligence seamlessly integrates into our daily lives, shaping a future that is both intelligent and interconnected. AI's integration begins at home, where smart homes are becoming smarter with every passing day. Picture waking up to a home that already knows your preferences, adjusting the lighting, temperature, and even brewing your coffee before you step into the kitchen. This level of personalization is made possible by the advancements in virtual assistants. These AI-driven assistants not only understand our commands, but also anticipate our needs, learning and adapting to our lifestyle over time. As we look forward, the AI-driven future unfolds before us, promising a world where technology seamlessly blends into the fabric of our existence. Imagine a city that responds to your needs in real-time traffic management, optimizing routes based on your destination, public spaces adapting to your preferences, all guided by the intelligence of AI. One of the most profound advancements is in the realm of autonomous vehicles. These vehicles, driven by AI algorithms, are not just a marvel of technology, but a catalyst for societal change. The impact of autonomous vehicles extends beyond convenience. It reshapes societal norms and challenges traditional models. Reduced traffic congestion, increased safety on the roads, and newfound accessibility for those unable to drive. AI-driven autonomous vehicles redefine our understanding of transportation. As we navigate through the landscape of artificial intelligence in everyday life, it's clear that we stand at the cusp of a revolution. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel by clicking that subscribe button below. Second, give this video a thumbs up by hitting the like button. It helps us reach more people and spreads the message even further. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated on all of our future content. Sharing is caring, so make sure you share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for being a part of our community. Now, let's get back to exploring the latest updates and insights. Augmented reality, or AR, enhances our perception of the real world by overlaying digital information onto our physical surroundings. Imagine wearing AR glasses that provide real-time information about the objects around you, transforming how we work, learn, and interact with the world. On the other end of the spectrum is virtual reality, an entirely simulated environment that transports us to new dimensions. Picture yourself immersed in a virtual world, whether exploring fantastical landscapes, engaging in epic battles, or collaborating with others in virtual spaces. But the applications go beyond entertainment. In education, VR revolutionized the way we learn. Students can dissect virtual frogs, explore ancient civilizations, or travel through the human body, turning learning into a captivating and interactive experience. In healthcare, VR provides therapeutic experiences for patients, easing pain and anxiety. The true power lies in how AR and VR enhance human experiences through digital realms. Visuals of AR/VR transforming daily activities. From shopping with AR try-on experiences to virtual tourism, allowing us to explore the world from the comfort of our homes, these technologies bring a new dimension to our daily activities. Blockchain is transforming into a powerful tool for addressing various challenges and reshaping industries. Beyond cryptocurrency, blockchain is evolving to revolutionize how we manage data, privacy, and security. Imagine a world where data storage is not only secure, but also transparent and tamper-proof. In the healthcare industry, blockchains ensure the integrity of patient records, providing a decentralized and secure platform for sharing sensitive medical information. Similarly, in finance, blockchain is changing the game. Transparent and tamper-proof ledgers streamline financial transactions, reducing fraud and enhancing trust in the system. Perhaps one of the most profound shifts is in the establishment of decentralized digital identity systems. Blockchain enables individuals to take control of their digital identities, reshaping how we perceive and manage privacy and security online. This isn't just about industries. It's about how we manage our privacy and security in everyday life. From secure voting systems to tamper-proof academic credentials, blockchain is weaving itself into the fabric of our digital existence. As we explore the innovations in decentralized systems, it's evident that blockchain's potential is boundless. It's transforming the way we store data, conduct transactions, and manage our identities, setting the stage for a more secure and decentralized future. The revolution has begun, and blockchain is at its forefront. CRISPR, a groundbreaking tool, stands at the forefront of biotechnological innovation, allowing scientists to precisely edit the genetic material of living organisms. Picture the ability to cut, modify, or replace specific DNA sequences with unparalleled precision. This capability holds the key to unlocking a myriad of possibilities in the field of genetics. One of the most transformative applications is in the realm of personalized medicine. Tailored to an individual's genetic makeup, personalized medicine is revolutionizing healthcare, moving us away from a one-size-fits-all approach to treatments. Patients are now receiving treatments designed specifically for their unique genetic characteristics, leading to more effective and targeted interventions. However, as we delve deeper into these biotechnological advancements, ethical considerations must guide us. The power to edit genes comes with a responsibility to use this technology ethically. Questions of consent, equity, and the potential for unintended consequences must be carefully addressed. Our exploration of biotechnological breakthroughs reminds us that with great power comes great responsibility. As we navigate this frontier, ethical considerations will ensure that the tremendous potential of biotechnology is harnessed responsibly, leading us toward a sustainable and equitable future. The story of biotechnology breakthroughs continues to unfold, promising a future where the precision of CRISPR and the promise of personalized medicine reshape the landscape of healthcare. Join us as we navigate this exciting era, where science and ethics intertwine to forge a path towards a healthier, more resilient future. The possibilities are vast, and the responsibility is ours to shape a sustainable and ethical biotechnological landscape. As we conclude, let's reflect on the transformative journey we've taken today. The technological landscape of 2024 is dynamic, pushing boundaries and reshaping industries. The future is indeed promising, with innovation as our guide. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts on technological advancements in 2024 in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'm AI, signing off from CBA Media Group. Until next time, share your thoughts, and let's keep the dialogue going.